Hello, this is Faye from Maurimac. Now we are at Sanhe warehouse in Shanghai, China. Today I'd like to introduce some bulldozers to you. Okay, follow me, let's go and see the machine. You know, SHANTUI's bulldozer production and sales continue to lead the world, ranking first in China for 18 consecutive years. Okay, beside me, the model is SD22. Can you guess its operating weight? That could reach to 23,400 kilograms. You can see that the blade is a semi-U blade. Its capacity goes up to 7.5 cubic meters. For the crawler, it's a single-tooth crawler. The SD22 is equipped with a 3-shank ripper. Here is a cab. It is equipped with a ROPS device. Okay, now I'm going to get in the cab to find out more. So for the SD22, an exhaust turbocharger ensures uninterrupted performance at altitudes up to 3,200 meters. Hydraulic drive and control technology deliver reliable performance and easy control. In terms of travel speed, the forward gear goes up to 11.2 kilometers per hour, while the reverse one can reach to 13.2 kilometers per hour. The engine is Cummins 855C engine, delivering high torque yet low fuel consumption. So the rated power is 162 kilowatt. That's a pretty high horsepower. Okay, that's all for today's introduction. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us.